Whether you're new to the RV world or you're an experienced RVer like I am, I think we can all agree that saving money is a good thing. Now, as a family of 5, it can be really expensive to go camping, especially as much as we do. So over the years, I found some ways to save some money here and there. I wanted to share with you the top things that I buy from Walmart, and hopefully it'll save you guys some money in the long run too. This morning I pulled up to my local Walmart, found the RV aisle, and did kind of a quick scan of everything they had. First up is obviously a water hose. Go ahead and do yourself a favor and get the 50 foot. I actually have them in 50, 25, and 10 feet. I have them all in a big container right there. It just makes life easier. Next, go ahead and grab you a water filter. These are really good for filtering out all the nasty stuff at RV sites. I keep that in my big container as well, and I hook it up to my water supply. Next, go ahead and grab yourself a hose elbow, and you're also going to grab a pressure regulator right above it. Now, I get some Teflon tape, and I actually combine these two fittings, and it is a permanent fixture in my RV. Next, go ahead and grab you some sewer hoses. I like this one because it has an extension for it, and they fit perfectly in the back of my fifth wheel. These wheel chocks are also amazing. Go ahead and grab you 6 or 8 of them. Get some of those Lynx levelers while they're there. You can use them for just about anything. Next, get you some of this Scott's toilet paper. You'll thank me later. Don't forget your RV adapter cord for a 30 amp to 15 amp. And this is also a nice little upgrade. This shower head is amazing. It has 5 different settings, and it regulates water pressure if you have low pressure, and it is phenomenal. And for 40 bucks, I feel like you really can't beat it. I have this one in my fifth wheel, and I've used a lot of different ones, and this one is my favorite. You can also go ahead and grab some drop-ins for the toilet. That way your poop tank doesn't stink. Now, I also really like these mats that they sell. These are 9x12 patio mats, and I love them, and they're only 50 bucks, and you can't really beat that price. Now, I'm sorry if I've convinced you to make a trip to Walmart, but hopefully it'll be worth your effort. I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more.